turn on Eye Comfort Shield on your Samsung or just Android device. Hey, hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. This is a very easy process, so now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in the control panel, when you swipe down here, you'll see mobile control, but you also, if you scroll left, you'll see here Eye Comfort Shield, and that's what you need to do. Just tap on Eye Comfort Shield, and now is enabled. And also if you hold the Eye Comfort Shield, now you can change the color temperature, and the most important thing for me is if it's set on, you tap on sunset to sunrise or custom. You can also start at 8:20 and ends at maybe 6 in the morning. Or you can simply set sunset to sunrise or always on, and here increase the temperature. So that's how you turn on Eye Comfort Shield. I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos.